Now this illustration deals with the continuous rule for the grounding electrode conductor. In accordance with NEC 250.64C1 as in car. Now notice the grounding electrode conductor to the right of the illustration. It is bonded in to the grounded conductor at the service equipment, and the grounded conductor is bonded to the enclosure of the wireway. It could be a bus bar, or it could be just a conductor. It could be a parallel hookup, single, whatever. But we show a single line diagram for simplicity's sake that make it as easy to view as possible. But basically, you know, if we read the call out concerning the grounding electrode conductor and bus bar, if there happens to be one, shall be permitted to be spliced to the bus bar and grounded neutral conductor. And we're talking about the grounding electrode conductor. Now, notice it's bonded and grounded to the wireway system that you see in the illustration. And then notice the grounding electrode conductor is spliced. And this is permissible, as we previously pointed out, where during the construction stages, the grounding electrode conductor was damaged in some way. And you spliced it together with an irreversible compression type connector. That is permissible when we review 250.64C1 as in car. And sometimes, you know, a service is moved from one location to another, and that grounding electrode conductor is permissible to be spliced in the same manner as illustrated here. So we still have the tap conductors in accordance with 250.64, D as in dog, sized in accordance with 250.66 or table 250.66. So this illustration 16-82 again suggests that the grounding electrode conductor be continuous from point to point. But under certain conditions, it could be spliced as shown in this illustration in accordance with 250.64 C1 as in car.